All right, people, if you're like me, you're migrating from USB to USB-C because that's where we're heading. Now, phones, computers, other electronics are going USB-C. And so one thing that you may have not thought about converting yet, cable-wise, are our external hard drives. Okay, so this is a Seagate
external hard drive.
And what they do when you buy one is they give you this cable, 15 inches. It's not very long. And so you have this standard hard drive female on the device. And then the cable is that same fitting, but male. And then they give you USB. So what I'm going to show you doesn't eliminate a cable from your arsenal, but it does get you from this to USB-C. So we're going to ditch this one for a new one, and it's longer, which you don't realize you actually want. So this is it.
It's Amazon Basics.
It's a hard drive, USB Type-C to micro B 3.1. We're gonna check this out.
That's it.
So what you don't realize that you're missing is the length. And you can see I've run out there. So this is double. You get double the cable, which
is really nice
because these stock cables from Seagate force you to keep the hard drives close to your computer and it gets in the way. Hard drive, USB-C, high-speed cable, nice and thick. I would say even just a little bit thicker than the stock one, which is fine, which is good. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you me plugging up the hard drive to my laptop and then we'll go onto the screen recording. I'll link this case too. It's got two sides. I actually have 3 Seagates in here. You can do all kinds of stuff with these. Boom.
Nice tight fit.
There you go. Let me jump you over to the screen recording. All right, we're here at the computer and you can see the hard drive shown up perfectly. And I've got a picture here. Yeah, so you can open the hard drive and I'm just gonna show you one sample drop.
Boom.
All right, that's it.
Delete.
Yeah.
Love it.
Ejected. Perfect. Done with this. It's too short and I'm done with USB. And the thing about using an adapter-based system on top of USB-C cables is you can always go back to USB if you need to.
But I'll link all these
adapters down below too, and these cables. Check these out, pick one up, highly recommend. Thanks for watching. Check out my other videos on the adapters. So, see ya, peace.